Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Avalanche, or Avax. The daily basis is neutral, and we're currently stuck in a very neutral zone due to the large Kumo on the weekly chart, which signals consolidation. Right now, there's no clear direction on almost all time frames. We're watching key levels at $25.30 to $35.30. The local supports are at $28.80, $28.150, $27, $25.30, and $25. Now for the technical curiosity. If you look closely at the H1 view, do you see a bearish flag or an ascending channel? The structure is moving with higher highs and higher lows, suggesting an ascending channel, which is a bullish continuation pattern, but the overall context is neutral, which is what often happens before a big move. The bullish area and higher timeframe consolidation remain possible above $25. A buy signal could be triggered in case of a weekly candle break above $35.50, which is our major target. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.